We looking for all the exciting companies all the time, not knowing it's the boring businesses. Watch this. It's the trash business. It's the electrical and mechanical business. It's the credit card business that's not Visa or MasterCard. It's the mobile home business that's giving accelerated returns in the market. But all you really know is Apple, Amazon, Meta. Come on, they gotta dig, y'all. We gotta dig. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you. 2,000% return or better. That's right. Today, I want to talk to you about companies that had a return from anywhere from 1,700 up to 2,000% over a 10-year time span. So I want you to think about that. That means if a company has done that, that means on average, it has done about, I don't know, 250% a year? Golly, that's insane. So we're gonna go at these companies that's giving you from anywhere between 1,700 and 2,000% in a 10-year time span. Now listen, I know you're thinking like, Trap, 10 years? Think about if you got a 10-year, 2,000% return on your money in 10 years, yo. That is insane. So today I wanna show you 5 companies that are actually boring companies that have actually done so well. I've owned a couple of them for some time. And I want to show them to you because this game is not about loving certain companies. It's about getting the best return for your dollar. That's right. It's about getting the best return for your dollar. And today, we want to help you with that. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment on this. And listen, don't forget, in the chat, we won't talk. We won't talk it out. We won't know what it is. You feel me? Let's get to it, man. So number 1 on our list is CWST. Now, this company has returned 1,700% in a 10-year time span. You know about Waste Management. You know about Waste Connections, right? You know about them companies, but you don't know about this company right here. This company is a sleeper, and it has outperformed them all at 1,700% return. Let me make sure I add this. In 10 years, this will definitely give you a big bang for your buck. Next on my list is one of my favorites. I own this one right here. Fix. It's called Comforts, right? This company has done 1,500% in 10 years. Now, I'll tell you how I came to learn about this company. I came to learn about this company because I worked as an iron worker and I saw that they were doing a lot of electrical and plumbing on residential and some commercial. So that's what they do. They do plumbing and electricity for commercial and residential. You would never understand it. So when I saw them, I was in this phase of my life where every time I see something, I won't know if the company public or not. I won't know if it's a publicly traded company or not. And so when I looked this company up, ticker symbol FIX, I said, oh my God. When I looked at their financials, and I looked at how well this company is run, it's not talked about a lot. Neither of these companies are talked about a lot. It's not talked about a lot. Great balance sheet, great management, great products and services. And think about it, plumbing and electricity ain't going nowhere. Ooh. This one here, that mechanical work, they not going nowhere. Fix. So check them out. All right. So another one on my list. This one of my sleepers. I've owned this one for a while. Y'all know, I always talk about it. FICO. That's right. FICO. 10 years, 17.5. 10 years. Who is FICO? It is the credit people. That's right. This is where you get your credit. These are the people that judge your credit. What's your adult report card, right? FICO, ticker symbol FICO. That's what they do, yo. They break down from your Experian, your Equifax, and whatever the other ones is, you got to go to them. This company has been to sleep. I remember when this company was $600. I said, hey, y'all need to get this company, y'all. Company soared up to $1,900. $1,000. And everybody thought, man, Trap, that thing too high. I said it was too high at 600. Now it's too high at 1,000. So I think everybody should, if you're an adult, go ahead on, because you're putting the money on your credit card anyway, right? Next one is, watch this one, SKY. Now watch this one. 2,200% in 10 years. Why? What do? They manufacture retail mobile homes. These people manufacture retail mobile homes. So when you talk about getting a mobile home built, SKY. Now you might be thinking, Trap, ain't nobody getting no mobile home built. Why they still printing money? Why they still printing money? The problem is we looking for all the exciting companies all the time, not knowing it's the boring businesses. Watch this. It's the trash business. It's the electrical and mechanical business. It's the credit card business that's not Visa or MasterCard. It's the mobile home business that's giving accelerated returns in the market. But all you really know is Apple, Amazon, Meta. Come on, we gotta dig, y'all. We gotta dig. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you. All right, last but not least, what this? I've owned this one. So far, I've owned this one, I've owned this one, and I own this one. This was my sweet spot right here. Texas Pacific Land. The company has did 2,000% return in 10 years. Guess what? West Texas, this company owns 89% of the land. Say that again. 89% of the land. Over 250,000 acres of land they own. Guess what else they do? Not only do they lease the land, the water that's on the land, and the oil that's on the land, all come from them. And then they'll lease you the land, and then they get royalties from you being on the land. So not only do you pay them for being on the land, they also get a percentage of the royalties for you being on the land. Texas Pacific Land, TPL. Listen, I actually own these three companies, y'all. I don't own this one because I like waste management. I don't own this one because I own Berkshire Hathaway. But FICO, Fix, and TPL are sleepers. I'm talking about next level sleepers for your portfolio. That's what this game is about. It's good to have the high names that everybody talk about, but these low level names that people don't talk about, that people not into, this is where you can just pile up and rack it all in at, man. So listen, FICO, Fix, CWST, Sky, and TPL are sleepers, man. Go find your sleepers. Tell me in the chat one that you know that's a sleeper. Watch this. That has gotten anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000% return. Go find it in the chat. Tell me about it in a 10-year time span, and let's talk about it, man. Listen, tell us in the chat how we can help you. Ask us some questions. It's your boy, the Wallstreet Trapper, man. Y'all know I love y'all. You know I just want to help y'all get some game. I appreciate y'all. Make sure you check out my show, Trapping Tuesday, every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern on the Wall Street Looks Like Us Network. Man, let's go, man. Salute.